Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's short video I will show you how to fix the rear left or right door ajar message. So if all the doors are closed, the truck is running and you are getting this message, I will show you what's the most common issue here and how to fix it. At the end of this video, if you think this was helpful and fixed your problem, please like the video and subscribe to my channel and give me your support so I can make more similar videos. There are two most common issues with this message. First one is the sensor in the rear door lock, and the other one is the wiring between the door and the chassis of the truck. And I will now show you what to do in both cases and how to fix it. In this door lock right here, there is a sensor which sends the signals to the PCM. So if the door is closed, it's gonna let the PCM know the door is closed. If it's open, that it's opened. Now sometimes that sensor inside gets stuck, so what you can do, just use WD-40 all around here and around here, or just unscrew these three screws to get more access inside and try to get as much as possible WD-40 inside. This most likely will not fix your message, but on some trucks we were able to do just that and it was working fine. The more common issue is actually right here, these wires, because when you open the door, close the door, they always get twitched and those wires usually break. So I will show you, I fixed it on this truck already, and I'll show you how I did it and what you should do. First you'll have to take off the complete door panel to get access to that wiring harness. So this part you can remove just by pulling it. There is no screws or anything, it just has two clips, as you can see, which go to these two holes. After you do that, there is one screw right here, it's a Phillips, and there is one more screw on the bottom of the door panel. It's right here, it's also a Phillips. So remove those and you'll get access to the interior part of the door. So once you have removed those screws, just leave the door panel up to remove it. And then you will have to disconnect the door switch right here, and you can remove this this door handle cable. The easiest way to remove this switch is just by first prying here underneath to get access to it, and then just pull it straight up. Okay, I'm trying to work with one hand here. Okay, because if you go from underneath, you won't be able to access this connector here to pull it off. So to disconnect it, just click on that connector. So yes, I had to use both hands to hold the switch while I'm pulling this out. But here's this clip, just push it and pull it out. Okay, to disconnect the door handle, you can just use like a small pliers, and you have to push these two clips here, and when you do that you can just pull the cable out. Again, I have to use both of my hands, but yeah, just push here and with your other hand pull the cable out. Okay, that's it. And now you can completely remove the panel so it's not on the way. Okay, so our goal is to completely remove this wire harness, and then I will show you exactly how those wires are broken and how to fix them. To do that, we want to unplug this guy here. So just there is a clip here, click it and pull it down. And there is one more just here inside. I hope you can see it. This one, there is also just a clip to push and pull the cable out. I'll try to. Okay. See, here's this one, just click it and pull it out. once we did all that, we have disconnected pretty much everything. Now only thing that's left is to disconnect this this plug right here, and then we can completely remove that wiring harness. Okay, so once we have disconnected all those things, you can just pull that cable all the way here from this hole in the door. Just pull everything out. Okay, so once it's out, this is how it looks. And now here is where is the problems always, because how you open the door, close the door, open the door, close the door, those wires here get squeezed, and with time they just break. That was the case here, but like you see, I was able to repair those wires, and now the door sensor works. In some cases, if the damage is like too close to this connector, or if the tires are completely damaged and destroyed, then you would need to get a new wiring harness from the Ford dealership. I will show you now the part number right here. So if you call any Ford dealership, they can sell you this wiring harness. It just disconnects here from this switch. There's also a clip and you can just pull it out. Okay, just to remove this white connector, you have to remove this black plastic piece out of this hole. To do that, there are two clips, one on this side, one on this side. So just press with your fingers right here and pull it straight out. Yeah, and then you can have access to that plug and just disconnect it.